Welcome back, guys. So I'm here with ISEE Hair today, and you know they're gonna send the tote bag and then the box is inside, so let's see. Before we get into the wig, we got a booklet here with information of how to contact them, you know, how to care for your wig, all that good stuff. Very nicely done. Also got a pair of wig caps, and then this information card about TikTok and stuff. So yeah, that's everything in today's package. This is ISEE Hair No Leave Out V-Part Kinky Straight Glueless wig, guys, and it has an elastic drawstring band in the cap, and it's very much beginner friendly. As you can see, the comb inside here is even removable, as you guys know. All right, and I think it's so convenient to have a drawstring like this. It's very easy to adjust the cap, and as I said, beginner friendly. All right, this wig, they say it's 26 inches long. It's very full. As I said, it's a kinky straight, very full, and it's tagged. They make sure to tag it. It says ISEE Hair. Has this removable adjustable elastic band, and also the ear portion is curved to accommodate your ears. Then there are also clips inside, like snap clips at the V portion, so that you can secure the wig really nicely onto your head, so you can stick those in your braids. And then there are also removable combs on the side here. So it's a lot going on in the cap to make sure that there is ultimate security. So I love that this is a medium size as well. Okay, that's gorgeous. So yeah, the construction looks so great so far, and it's a 1B color, as you know, a natural 1B color. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into this really easy and quick installation. Just gonna adjust the elastic band, and then after I go ahead and slip it on, I'll adjust these clips in my braids, and I'll also show you guys how to adjust the elastic. It's pretty easy. It's just like you literally just pull it into place and you're good to go. If you want to loosen it, you do it just like that. And you know what I love? The way how they curved the edge here, so the serge is not like visible at all, so it will be nice and discreet. And you can go ahead and do the crochet method to blend it even more with your hair, so I'll show you guys that as well. You literally push it into your braid and snap it into place. So basically what you want to do is, you know, get a crochet needle like I have right here, and you pretty much just loop that. You kind of push that through your natural hair, and you pull through a piece of the hair on the wig through that loop that you've created with the crochet needle. And this is the step that you literally repeat right throughout this portion. It's very straightforward, very to the point. It's not much hassle to it. It's very easy. You know, you could be as detailed as you want with this, as in you could make, you know, pull out smaller pieces if you want, and I love how convenient it is. So all you need to do is you get the comb literally and you push it within your braids, and for the drawstring you literally pull it out like I was showing you, and you adjust it, and when it's secure to how you want it, then you conceal it beneath the cap. Everything looks so natural, especially because it is, you know, a kinky straight texture. It looks so good. If you're definitely going for like no lace vibe, and you know, you can't bother with that, this is so beginner friendly, and it comes out very natural looking. You could go ahead and wear it in its current state. That would be, you know, like, yeah, it's really gorgeous. So all I'm gonna do, look at that, so gorgeous. So all I'm gonna do is go ahead and run through this with my flat iron and just get it even straighter.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want.
So yeah, so secure. Absolutely love it. Let me know what you guys think. As usual, you guys know I'm gonna put the direct link to this wig in my description box. You know, all the sales are going on right now, so please check out my description box for any discount code, any of that down below. The specifications will be listed. Shout out to ISEE Hair once more for today's gorgeous wig. So flawless. But yeah, that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.